Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mini split heat pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the MRCOOL DIY 24HP230B Heat Pump Split System. MRCOOL DIY 24HP230B is one of the AC heating split systems you can install yourself. MRCOOL DIY unit is therefore very popular with people who have technical skills. By installing the unit yourself, you can save more than $1,000 on installation. As far as the specifications are concerned, the 20 SEER and 10 HSPF ratings are some of the best. That means you will considerably cut the electricity costs every year. You can save $1,000 on installation and $100 per year with the MRCOOL DIY 24HP230B. It has a bit higher price, but the long-term savings more than justify the higher initial cost. Especially because you can deduct the installation costs. This is also one of the quietest heat pumps with indoor noise levels as low as 33.5 decibels. All in all, MRCOOL DIY is the best mini split heat pump currently on the market. It's very reliably, energy efficient, and has a quiet operation. On top of that, you can have a ton of costs of installation because you can install it yourself. MRCOOL offers 12K, 18K, 24K, and 36K BTU-sized heat pumps. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aircon AC heating system. It might come to be a surprise that an unknown brand such as Aircon would take the top spot as the best mini-split heat pumps. However, one look at the specifications and every HVAC expert will tell you why the Aircon B07HNF57MS model heat pump can outperform even a Mitsubishi heat pump. The SEER rating of the 24,000 BTU Aircon heat pump is 20.5. That is beyond the 20 magic number. 20.5 SEER makes the Aircon unit the most energy-efficient cooling heat pump. However, several other heat pumps have 20.5 SEER. The specification in which the Aircon truly outperforms all the other best heat pumps is the most important one, the HSPF rating. It's almost unheard of for a heat pump to have an above 10 HSPF rating. Aircon engineers managed to create a heat pump with an incredible 11.8 HSPF rating. That makes this unit the best mini-split heat pump for cold weather. That specification alone guarantees that, all things equal, this unit will cost $80 per year less in running costs than the other top ductless heat pump systems. In fact, it can save up to an outstanding 60% compared to standard units. At number 3, we have the Cooper & Hunter 24,000 BTU 18.9 SEER Mini Split AC heating system. Cooper & Hunter CH24SPH230V Weak has pretty much the same performance as the Mitsubishi heat pump. Essentially, a 20.5 SEER rating and 10 HSPF ratings ensure you will use less energy than with standard heat pumps and save in the end. The maximum airflow of 618 CFM is powerful enough for a 24,000 BTU heat pump. On top of that, with the maximum noise levels of 47.5 decibels, the Cooper & Hunter CH24SPH230V Weak is one of the quietest heat pumps, even when it's running on the maximum fan setting. The best part is that when you look at the price of Cooper & Hunter versus Mitsubishi, the initial price of the heat pump is as much as $1,000 lower than Mitsubishi. Cooper & Hunter has a wide variety of capacities. You can get 9,000 BTU, 12,000 BTU, 18,000 BTU, 24,000 BTU, and 30,000 BTU heat pumps. At number 2, we have the Dela 048MS24K2V17SI Plus O 1.5-ton heat pump. Dela is a new brand that doesn't, as of yet, make 24,000 BTU split system heat pumps. However, their 18,000 BTU unit, 1.5 ton, is quite exceptional and should not be overlooked. It has the highest cooling energy efficiency with a 22 SEER rating. Mini-split heat pumps with less capacity indeed tend to have higher SEER and HSPF ratings. Nonetheless, compared to the 20 SEER rating, the 22 SEER is 10% more energy efficient. That can save you an additional $10 to $20 per cooling season. The 10 HSPF is top of the line as well. The noise levels of 49 decibels are slightly higher than with the quietest heat pumps, but considering the lower price, the Dela 048MS24K2V17SI+O is a very good choice. And finally at number 1, we have the OLMO Alpic 24,000 BTU Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. OLMO Alpic Oxygen Monosulfide EL24ALP230VI is the last on the list. Throughout the list, we have seen how energy efficiency ratings fall. We have come from a 20+ SEER rating to the 16.5 SEER rating of the OLMO Alpic Oxygen Monosulfide EL24ALP230VI. While the highest HSPF rating is 11.8, we can see that OLMO's heat pump has a 9.5 HSPF rating. That's not ideal, obviously. We can also see a weaker airflow with 565 max airflow. However, the noise levels are quite good. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.